migrant worker that had happened. A political war over drug menace seems to have escalated in Tamil Nadu, where a Tamil Nadu speaker he seems to have stoked a row where he is now blaming other states, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh, saying that cannabis is being grown in other states and narcotics he believes is entering in illegally from other places. This political war of words has been taking place in Tamil Nadu over the alleged deterioration of law and order and the rising drug menace in the state. The speaker seems to be highlighting when it comes to certain violent attacks that seems to have been taking place, and the opposition meanwhile has called for an urgent government intervention to guide the youth. However, this has now led to war of words. The focus here seems to be on drug menace.
தம்பி கேட்டிருக்காங்க, உங்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள் தம்பி. தமிழ்நாட்டில் எங்கேயாவது ஒரு இடத்துல ₹1 கஞ்சா செடி வளர்த்தாங்கன்னு சொல்லுங்க. ஒரிசாவில் கஞ்சா வளர்க்கிறிய யார் ஆட்சி நடக்கு? ஒரிசாவில், ஆந்திராவில் கஞ்சா வளர்க்கிறிய யார் ஆட்சி நடக்கு? ஆந்திராவில் நீங்க பிற மாநிலத்திலிருந்து வரக்கூடிய கஞ்சா அவ்வளவும் முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டில் பாதுகாப்பா இருக்கிறோம். அவன் யார் பேரை சொல்லாமோ எப்படியோ உள்ள வந்துருதான். நீங்க எவ்வளவு பெரிய இந்த தமிழ்நாடு.
Well, Dharni is connected with us. Dharni, what is the issue at hand as far as this political war that seems to be happening? Is it deteriorating law and order or blaming drug menace for the deteriorating law and order in the state?
Well, it looks like, Congress MP Karti Chidambaram, he is blaming the drug menace for the deteriorating law and order. He says that the circulation of drugs, the usage of drugs has increased among the youth, and many youngsters who are addicted to drugs, they are indulging in violent activities, and the state government should take this issue seriously, and they should curb the drug menace with an iron hand, is what Karti Chidambaram says. But on the other hand, we are looking at reactions from Assembly Speaker Appavu and also Tamil Nadu Health Minister Ma Subramaniam. Both of them, they are of the opinion that since the DMK came to power, the drug menace has been controlled significantly, and that there has been no cultivation of ganja in the state. In fact, the Health Minister goes to the extent of telling that there is zero cultivation of ganja in Tamil Nadu, and in fact, the narcotic substances which are coming from other states, illegally entering other states from Tamil Nadu, they are also being seized effectively, is what he says. But it looks like there is an ally versus ally situation in Tamil Nadu over the drug menace. On one hand, we are looking at Congress MP Karti Chidambaram stating on record that the drug menace in Tamil Nadu should be brought under control. It is going beyond control. On the other hand, the Health Minister and also the Assembly Speaker Mr. Appavu, they are defending the government, and they are telling that that is not true. And in fact, the drug menace in Tamil Nadu is completely under control, and that the opposition parties and also some leaders from the Congress, they are propagating a lie, is what these leaders are telling. So definitely let's wait and see how the high command of the DMK is reacting to this matter.
All right. Well, keep an eye out on that if there is any development. As Dharni mentioned, all that it came from as far as this controversy is concerned, it seems to be an ally versus ally moment that seems to have erupted in Tamil Nadu over the drug menace. Here is Congress's big claim against Tamil Nadu, saying that narcotics are easily available across the state and across multiple locations. The Congress is now asking the DMK to maintain strict action so that law and order could be maintained in the state.
எனக்கு வருகின்ற தகவலில் இருந்து அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ல இருந்து நான் மாறுபடுகிறேன். தமிழ்நாட்டில் பல இடங்களில் கிடைக்கிறது, பல இளைஞர்கள் அதற்கு அடிமையாகிறார்கள். அதற்கு அடிமையாகிறதுனால தான் அவர்களுடைய நடவடிக்கையும் சில சமயங்களில் ரொம்ப விபரீதமாக இருக்கிறது. இதை என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இரும்பு கரங்கள் கொண்டு அடக்க வேண்டும் என்று தான் நான் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
So that is Karti Chidambaram there talking about as far as the drug menace that he believes seems to be growing and rampant as far as when it comes to the availability of narcotics in the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned, and he's asking the state government there to take a relevant action. Let's in the meantime put out how this war of words seems to be now escalating as we are awaiting when it comes to a formal response to come in from the DMK side as well. In the meantime, when it comes to this situation, the storm that has happened over the attack on migrant workers, now this ally versus ally issue seems to have erupted as the drug menace issue has now become a big one ahead of the elections that soon would be taking place in the state of Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, narcotics being easily available, that seems to be a charge that that has now been leveled. And this is another charge that has now also been reacted on part of the TVK chief Vijay, who has said on the migrant worker attacked issue, saying that the incident that involved 4 youngsters attacking another youth brutally on a train is saddening and also created shock waves across the state. Let's put out what TVK's Vijay has to say on this issue being reported of this youth being attacked. He says that the incident in which few young men brutally assaulted another youth on a train traveling from Chennai to Tirunelveli yesterday had instilled among the people both fear and shock in what kind of dangerous future that Tamil Nadu is now heading. Now, the government has not detected and prevented in advance the young men from veering onto the wrong path, and this incident highlights the ruling government's indifference and lack of responsibility as to what does it matter if the youth go astray and are ruined. And with all of these developments, as far as by narcotics is also something that TVK's Vijay makes a mention as far as saying that law and order in the state of Tamil Nadu is being disturbed. We'll get you more on that, political reactions building up back after a short break.